It's time for another mystery mannequin drawing where we're randomly going to choose one of the gals in the background to try on and discuss briefly. So let's start by drawing out a letter randomly to see what we want to try on. Okay, I just want one. Okay, Z. Let's see what Z is. Is there a Z back there? Yeah, there it is, right there in the middle. Let's try it on. So before I try it on, I want to tell you what I'm wearing here. This is Envy's Marsha in the color Champagne Shadow. Marsha is a short to mid-length, kind of an undone beach wave style. It has bangs, it has angle and interest, it's bold, it's fun. And I have used some of the Envy texturizing spray. It's called Get Dressed. I just did a review on this product as well, but it gave it a little bit of lift and texture where it was flat on the top. So that's what I have done to this wig style. Let's try on our featured wig today. This is Glen in the color Sugar Cane R. Glen is a short little shag style cut. It has about a 5 to 5.5 inch fringe, overall right around 8-9 inches. You see all of this layering, gorgeous. And this one features a lace front and full monofilament top. You can take it up and away from the face for the warm summer months. It adds some real good cuteness to it as well. You can part it anywhere you like on the top and get the illusion of scalp. Natural look from the top. If you like styles like the traditional Renee of Paris short shag styles, I think you're really gonna like this one. A lot of shag styles in the Noriko line and Renee of Paris are just traditional cap. They don't feature the lace, monofilament lace options that this one does. So this is just a little step up, but still gives you that shag appeal. It's a beautiful length. It's not heat friendly, but I have had fun just kind of wisping this in my fingers and creating some different looks out of it. There's quite a bit of permatease around the middle of this one. That's where all your volume is coming into play there. And you can definitely temper that by just smashing that permatease layer and perhaps scooping it around the ear for another cute look. It's just adorable for the summer months. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining me today.